When it comes down to electronics, you really do need to make sure that you're cleaning it out, that everything is looking good in the inside, because dust is really good insulation and really can block up the airflow and make your stuff heat to the point to where it can crash. My friend's PS5 might be having that problem, so we're gonna open it up and see what's going on. So before I begin, don't forget to like the video if you liked the video, and subscribe to the channel. Also, the link is down below to the merch store. Go get some great merch. Put it all in a backpack with the controller and the charger. Oh my god. It is a little dusty. Mother god, I didn't realize it weighed that much. I tried to get ready for this. Alright. Let's go to the top-down camera and make sure this is right in the right spot. Theoretically, I also would have put down the anti-static mat, but I'm pretty sure we're fine. I just gotta... I am on the right one, right? Yeah, I'm on. There we go. It doesn't look too bad. There's a little bit of like a discoloration right here, but I don't think you can see that on this too well. Does this look gray to you guys? Because at least in my lighting it does too. So let's see. It doesn't look too bad, which actually worries me more. So we might have to do a full teardown, and I was really hoping to avoid that. There we are. Got the grill off. I need my iFixit kit. This should be a T8 torque screw. There it is. There's my 8. Yep. It's always good to sanity check it. Oh wow. These are different sizes. Why? So I'm gonna have to remember that, and I don't know how. At least 2 of them are the same. So, a marker somewhere. So let's see how. It's not too dusty. It's a little disgusting. That's not giving me confidence. I need something to pry that up with. Can that get in here? It's a little big for this. Hey. We're taking everything off. That should be... That was the disc drive, which I don't actually think I need to take that off. No, but it'll be light later. Oh, that's it. Another torque screw. Got the same torque screw as before. Yep, another T8 for all of these. Where's that magnet? It's the same one as the ones on the heatsink. And they're all around the plate itself. You know, I probably should get the other side off, but I'll get there. Should be more careful. You know, I was gonna not take this out, but I'm taking it out now. It's just gonna be more of a pain later. Yeah, we're gonna make a pile here, right with the plate. This one's out, 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 out. Every little screw's got to come out so I can see your innards. So you know, it might actually just be that it's not clean. And that I don't like Sony's design for this now. Because I'm looking at what I'm assuming is a heatsink for something, and it is just absolutely covered. Did I miss any? Ah! I don't see any. Okay, what are you stuck on? Maybe it's that. It does go a decent length through. There's also that one. That should be all the screws I can find. Okay. What's going on? By the way, what I was talking about, right there. Look at that. I can actually, like, I can peel it off. That's disgusting. So, pretty sure that's the issue. But there's no way he could have cleaned this. Not without getting it all in there. Well, I figured it out. There's a bloody screw under here. God, they spent more time engineering this to be friendly. Oh, look at that. Comes right off. What are you attached to? Where's my little... There we are. Let's get you back up. I know where that cable leads. And we're just gonna, yeah. We're just gonna get you nice and right off there. That was a lot more time and effort on that than I'd like to ever spend. However, we're still seeing that right there, so I'm pretty sure that's the problem. I'm just gonna... There is dust all throughout this. Like, no wonder I was having issues. Alright, where's the tension thing for this? Oh, so I have to actually take it with this. These are my least favorite things. I hate ribbon cables. I truly, truly do. I cannot express how much I hate ribbon cables. I do love it. This doesn't show me what I was wanting. There we go. But that's not gonna help me. That one won't come out. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of say fuck it. And we're taking this tape off. I should be able to reuse that. So yeah, I'm just clearly gonna say that this just needs to be cleaned. So, with that in mind, I still want to see the, can I get this part off yet? No, it's mounted to that part still. I still want to see the actual motherboard. That is a lot of screws. 43, 44 screws and a dust bunny. Oh, there's dust throughout this whole thing. Okay, so when I give this back, I'm giving him a link to a decent pair of faceplates that actually has a hole so that all this dust isn't trapped in here. It's everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean this with isopropyl alcohol. I'm actually gonna have to watch a video to make sure I don't screw up putting all of this back together. The amount of screws in this thing is impressive. This is gonna be boring as all get out. It's not the amount of screws that really does kill me though it does get there pretty good. It's the amount of screws and the wires that they have just right next to them. Oh, that's not nerve-wracking. You know, now that I think about it, I think I miscounted the screw amount. I think there's actually like 46 screws. Oh god, there's even more. There's 50 screws in this thing. What the hell? On some level, this is a comedy show I'm writing right now. Because there has to be a joke somewhere in this that I'm taking apart a PS5. And there's so many screws! This has got to beat Intel with their graphics card. Mind you, per square foot, they probably have less, but... Good Lord, why are some of these so tight? A lot of these are tighter than the rest. Like, some are really easy. Like this one, really simple. I'm just effortless. Is that another ribbon cable? Right here, another ribbon cable. God damn it. I hate ribbon cables. They are the bane of my existence. All right, can I get this out? Almost. There's another ribbon cable right there. What is with these guys and ribbon cables? All I want to do is get you... I don't know what's on the other side of this. It seems like I should just be able to... Oh, that's good sound. That's good sound. That's definitely a sound I want to hear. Let's get that off then. And that off so I don't accidentally break it. That is a lot of thermal epoxy. And there's another ribbon cable. And that one is very, very metallic. Alright, that's where I'm starting to feel uncomfortable. So I'm going to say this is a pretty good example of why you need to clean your PS5. And also a pretty good example of why you should probably change the faceplates on these with one that can show the grill for the PS5, because I have a feeling that's most of the reason why this is so dusty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this teardown. I hope you guys also will like the video if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, link is down below to the merch store and go get some great merch. If you guys enjoyed this video, why don't you guys go check out the video I actually did a little bit ago fixing another friend's Xbox Series 1S. I actually had a bit of fun with that, and once again, I fixed it. Great company, not endorsed by them at all, but boy, do they really help me get this kind of stuff done for my friends. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and have a good day.